Hi everyone, welcome back. Unity Car. This isn't just a bike, it's a dream, a portable world, a moving campsite, and its name is 2025 Camper Bike. When it hits the road, the earth seems to hold its breath and the sky leans down to take a look. So bold, so stunning, that every eye stops and the heart whispers just one thing: wow, what a beauty. The 2025 Camper Bike carries the legacy of its origins with pride. The idea was born when people started dreaming of living the camping life while riding. And now, in 2025, that dream is alive and roaring on the roads. The exterior design of this bike looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The side-mounted, foldable micro-camping units give it an unmatched identity. Its LED headlights don't just light up the night, their futuristic design seems like beams from tomorrow. The color, a rich matte black with chrome edges, feels like the night has settled gently onto the frame. At the top, the solar roof panel not only generates power but adds a modern, intelligent touch. At the rear, a multi-utility storage box turns effortlessly into a mini kitchen or a cozy tent space. But the real marvel is its aerodynamic body, slicing through the wind like a silent beast. Have you ever thought, a bike doesn't just take you to a destination, it becomes the destination itself? Because the 2025 Camper Bike is not just a ride, it's a lifestyle. It's made for those who dream on roads and live those dreams freely. Talking about performance, this bike comes with an electric hybrid engine. It's smooth, environment-friendly, and perfect for long-distance travel. With a range of nearly 300 kilometers on a single charge, and more with solar assist. Its durable tires, high ground clearance, and weather-resistant frame make it fearless in any season. This bike climbs mountains, races on sand, and sings through the rain. Friends, have you ever wanted a ride that doesn't just connect you to the world, but connects you to yourself? If yes, then hit that like button, and tell us in the comments how this bike made you feel. And don't forget to subscribe to Unity Car, because every video here isn't just a video, it's an experience. 2025 Camper Bike, a journey, a dream, a way of life.